Hi, this is Sam from the Bluebell Wood and welcome to my farm advent calendar. On a cold and frosty morning, there's nothing better than warm porridge to start the day. To each cup of porridge, I add 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of milk. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. I like a little sprinkle of salt in mine to bring out the flavour. A little sprinkle of cinnamon makes it really festive. Take a small eating apple and we're going to dice this up. Now choose your favourite bowl. Oops, spilt a bit. Sprinkle over the diced apples. Now my favourite bit, maple syrup. Now a sprinkling of mixed seeds. Breakfast is served. If you enjoyed that video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos.